How to rename your iPhone or Android name on Airdrop, a hotspot or Bluetooth. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So you can rename your iPhone or Android name, so both the devices. So what you have to do is you have to simply open your settings for the first step on the both devices, and after that what you can do is you can see the about info for the Android user. You have to click on the about info, and then here you can see the device name in the top. So what you can do is you can click on the device name, and here you can choose anything like this. So let's see, I choose anything. So let's see, I choose this, the things. And after choosing anything, you can simply clear all this and you can type anything, and then click on the done in the top right corner. And now you have saved the, now you have rename your Android name on Android on Airdrop, Hotspot and Bluetooth. And for renaming your iPhone name on Airdrop, Hotspot or Bluetooth, what you have to do is you have to simply open your settings, and then what you have to do is you have to go to your general tab, click on the general settings, and when you click on the general settings you can see the about phone option on the iPhone. Click on the about phone, and there you can see the your phone name. You can click on the phone name, and here and there you can choose the, you can clear all the name of your device, and then you can type the new name, and then you can click on the done button, and now you have changed the name on the iPhone. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate.